Welcome back to the third video. Let us continue with role statement of ASCA on the school counselor. The learning objective is to understand and appraise the ASCA's role statement of school counselors. Now let us look into the delivery aspect. The main role and function of school counselors is to deliver developmentally appropriate activities and services to the students. These activities and services help students develop the ASCA mindsets and behaviors for student success and improve their achievement, attendance and discipline. Through the school counseling program, school counselors ensure equitable academic career and social emotional development opportunities for all students. School counselors provide services to students, parents, school staff and the community in two ways, that is direct services and indirect services. Coming to the direct services, direct service is through in-person interaction with students, which includes instruction, appraisal and advisement and counseling. Coming to the instruction, through school counseling core curriculum which is given, the curriculum is planned to have courses or lessons or trainings aimed at helping students achieve the desired skills and competencies and to facilitate students to develop appropriate knowledge, attitudes, abilities and capacities for the developmental level. The instructions on the school counseling curriculum is delivered through overall curriculum of the school and is offered by school counselors methodically in association or partnership with other school communities like teachers and administrators in K-12 classroom as well as group activities. Now let us see about the appraisal and advertisement. It is done through systematic planning, especially individual student planning. The activities and services that are designed to help and support students in attaining the student's personal goal as well as develop their future plans. These activities and services are coordinated by school counselors efficiently to provide appropriate appraisal and advertisement to enhance the student participation as well as the other school communities. Coming to counseling, one of the important phase of counseling process is responding. So here in school counseling, responsive services are offered through counseling. The responsive services are the functions of counselors which is designed to meet the students' immediate needs and concerns. The counselors in the counseling process may adopt individual or group counseling or classroom group counseling and includes responding to the crisis situation also. Now let us look into the indirect services. Indirect services for the students includes referrals, consultation and collaboration. Referrals are made for additional services. The indirect services are provided on behalf of students to the parents, teachers, other educators and community organizations. It is done because of the interactions that are made by the school counselors with the stakeholders of the school or the school community at large. Now let us see about the assessment. Assessment is done to have accountability of the activities and services given and conducted respectively. To attain or accomplish good and finest results for students, school counselors regularly make assessments because the major concern of school counselor is they are answerable for each and every student for whom they take up the responsibility. The reasons for the regular assessment is to determine and demonstrate the effectiveness of the school counseling activities and services in helping all students to succeed, to show and update the improvements of the school counseling program design and delivery, to show how students are different as a result of the school counseling program, to show the impact of the school counseling program on student achievement, attendance and behavior, to analyze school counseling program assessments to guide future action and improve results for all students. School counselors also self-assess their own mindsets and behaviors to understand their own professional development and to participate in a school counselor performance appraisal annually. The performance of the school counselor is evaluated as well on basic standards of practice expected of school counselors to know how well they are implementing the comprehensive school counseling program. The ASCA national model provides the tools to guide assessments and appraisals. The tools are as follows. That is the program assessment, under which school counseling program assessment is the first one and the annual results report will be the second one. And there is one more which is about school counselor assessment and appraisal, under which ASCA school counselor professional standards and competencies assessment, and the second one is school counselor performance appraisal template. To conclude, it is a well-known fact that school counselors are certified or licensed educators with the minimum of a master's degree in school counseling and are uniquely qualified to address the developmental needs of all students through a comprehensive school counseling program addressing the academic, career and personal social development of all students. ASCA role statements include ASCA ethical standards, ASCA national model and the ASCA mindsets and behavior for student success. The ASCA role statement clearly defines the role of the school counselor and includes relevant and appropriate related researchers for effective practices of the role of school counselor. The ASCA role statement describes each and every specific position and defines the role of the school counselor relatively to that position, like for example, ASCA role statement for the role of school counselor in career guidance, the role of school counselor in academic achievement, the role of school counselor in child abuse and neglect, in discipline, in homeless children, and in character education, in risk behaviors, in mental health issues, social emotional development, in disabilities, in school, family and community partnerships, etc. The role statement goes on for all the specific activity or service that is given by the school counselor. However, the role of school counselors always have an impact on the students' academic development, career development and social emotional development. Thank you.